This is not a normal math problem and most students fail to solve it. But don't worry, I will explain it step by step in the simplest way. Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, the channel where complex math become easy for A levels, Olympiad, SAT, ACT, and many other school exams. Let's start solving this problem, that is 8 raised to power t plus 4 raised to power t equals 36. You have to find the value of t. So we will solve this question as first of all consider 8 raised to power t can be write as 2 cube of t and 4 can be write as 2 square of t, that equals 36. Now in the next step, we will write this as 2 raised to power t whole cube plus 2t whole square equals 36. Let us make a supposition here. Let 2 raised to power t equals y. So we will write this as y cube plus y square minus 36 equals 0. Now in the next step, we will write this as y cube plus y square and minus 36 can be write as minus 27 and the minus 9 equals 0. Now this will become y cube plus y square minus 27 can be write as 3 of cube minus 9 can be write as 3 square equals 0. Now we will solve this as y cube minus 3 cube plus y square minus 3 square equals 0. Now we will solve this further here. We get apply the formula of a cube plus b a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square, and the other formula, that is a square minus b square, is a minus b into a plus b. Now we will write this as y minus 3 into y square plus 3 of y plus 9, and from this we have y minus 3 and the y plus 3 equals 0. Now we can take y minus 3 as common from this, and remaining will be y square plus 3y plus 9 and then plus y plus 3 equals 0. So we have y minus 3 and this will be y square plus 4y plus 12 equals 0. We have two possibilities, y minus 3 equals 0 and the other one is y square plus 4 of y plus 12 equals 0. Now the value of y is 3 and here we will apply the quadratic formula. According to that, minus 4 plus minus b square means 16, minus 4 of a is 1 and c is 12 divided by 2. So we get this equals y equals minus 4 plus minus 16 minus 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4 divided by 2. So we get this equals, we will write the values here. That for the first one we have y equals 3, and for the other one we have y equals minus 4 plus minus root 16 minus 48 is minus 32 divided by 2. So we have minus 2 plus minus 4 minus 4 plus minus, it will be 8 fours are 32. So or we will write the factors of 32, that are 2 power 5, so it will become minus 4 divided by 2. Now we will take 2 as common from this, so we get minus 2 plus minus 2 root 2. So these are the answers. These are the roots of y. Now we have to find the value of t. And here we have also iota, because this is the root of minus 1. So also mentions iota in this answer. Now we have to find the value of t. For this purpose we have supposition 2 raised to power t equals y. That means 2 raised to power t equals 3. So we will take log on both sides. So t log of 2 equals log of 3. You have to find the value of t. For this purpose log 3 is divided by log of 2. So t equal base is change. So this is the answer. And this is the complex root. So for the complex root you have to find the value of t. So we will just write y equals 2 raised to power t and get equals minus 2 plus minus root 2 iota. If you found this video helpful, subscribe mathsolver1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos, because in this channel you will find the complete solution of A-level, Olympiad, SAT, ACT and many school exams. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to mathsolver1117 and share it with your friends who struggle with math. See you in the next problem. Keep practicing, keep improving. Best of luck.